As a homeschool teacher and mom, I am constantly on the go. So when I feel a cough or sore throat coming on, Ricola MAX Throat Care is always there for me.
We all know just how stressful it can be when a sore throat or a cough is interfering with our job. So when I need fast relief, I always reach for my Ricola MAX Throat Care. The liquid center of the drops has extra menthol, so it brings fast relief for your worst coughs and sore throats.
As a teacher and a mom, I am constantly looking for ways to stay prepared, which is why I always keep my Ricola MAX Throat Care on hand when I need them, especially when I can feel a cough or sore throat coming on.
Not only do they bring sore throat and cough relief, but they taste amazing and they're made with no artificial dyes or flavorings.
You can shop now. Make sure to add Ricola MAX Throat Care to your cart to stay prepared during cough and cold season.